Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is triangles, quadrilaterals, and polygon. This is chapter number 9. And today's lecture we are going to discuss about the polygons. Polygons is the 9.3 article. What is polygon? A polygon is a closed plane figure with three or more straight lines, segments as its sides. Figure number 9.8 shows some other examples of polygons. These three figures are known as polygons because it is a plane figure. It has more straight line segments. It's okay. 5 straight lines can make this picture. And then this is also a polygon, and this is also a polygon picture. But these shapes are not polygon because why? The shape shown in figure 9.9 are not polygons. Why? Because it is a circular line in this picture and it is not a closed figure, so that's why these are not polygons. The first two polygons are called the simple polygons because their boundaries do not cross themselves. This picture, these two pictures are called the polygons because their boundaries do not cross themselves. The line segment do not intersect one another, unlike the third polygon. This is the third polygon, and the line segment are intersect the other lines. The first polygon is called a convex polygon because all of its interior angles are less than 180. So the first polygon, this is the first polygon, and it is called a convex polygon. The reason behind that is that the interior angles are less than 180. Interior, this one interior angle, this one interior angle. So the interior angles are less than 180. So that's why this is called the convex polygon. Now next I indicate the interior angles that is greater than 180 on the second polygon. If we are going to consider this one, this angle is interior angle and this is greater than 180, so that's why the second polygon indicate a concave polygon. A simple polygon in which at least one of its interior angle is more than 180 degrees called a concave polygon. That the second polygon is in figure 9.8 is at the vertex whose interior angle is more than 180 degree. It's called the concave polygon. So the third polygon in figure 9.8 is neither convex or not concave because it is not a simple polygon. This is not a simple polygon because their boundaries cross themselves. So this is not the simple polygon. So this is convex polygon because interior angles are less than 180, and this is concave polygon, and that is not the simple polygon. So this is neither concave or not convex polygon. So this is the intro of the polygon. Now this is also the important line. The sum of interior angles of an n-sided polygon is n minus 2 multiplied by 180. We will use this formula in the exercise, so it is very important. Now come to the practice exercise. This is exercise 9C. We have already done 9th A and 9. Come to the 9C. Find the sum of interior angles of each of the following polygons. These are 4 questions. First one is 11 gone. First, we will write sum of the interior angle of 11 gone is equal to n minus 2 multiplied by 180. N is 11. 11 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. So 11 minus 2, 9 multiplied by 180 degree. So the answer is 1620 degree. So the sum of interior angle of 11 gone is equal to 1620. The remaining part is your homework. These are your remaining part. Come to the second question. Find the value of the unknown in each of the following figures. There are four parts. First part is part A, and here we are going to find out the unknown value. So we are going to discuss part A. This is basically a quadrilateral, and the sum of interior angle of quadrilateral is equal to n minus 2 multiplied by 180. So the value of n in this question is 4. 4 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. 2 multiplied by 180 degree, and the sum of interior angle of quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. So we are going to find out the value of A. Then the sum of these four angles is equal to 360 degrees. So the statement will become A plus 110 plus 78 plus 62 is equal to 360 degree. So the value of A will be 360 degree minus 110 minus 78 and minus 62 degree, because these numbers shift to the other side of the equation, then it will become the minus. So 360 minus 110, and then we will calculate these. The value will be 110 degree. It's very simple. Now second part is, this is the second part. Here angle A is equal to B, angle B is equal to 78 degree, angle C is equal to 2B, and angle D is equal to 84 degree, and we are going to find out the value of unknown means B. Sum of interior angle of quadrilateral. The value of n in this picture is 4 minus 2 multiplied by 180. So 2 multiplied by 180, and 180 into 2 is equal to 360 degree. First steps are the same like first part. Now the values of angles are B plus 78 degree plus 2B plus 84 degree is equal to 360 degree. 162 plus B plus 2B is equal to 3B is equal to 360 degree. Now 360 degree minus 162, 198. So we will divide it by 3. The value of B become 198 divided by 3. So the value of B is equal to 66 degree. And value of 2B is equal to 2 multiplied by 66 means 132 degree. So that is the second part. Now we have done the part 2. Now part 3 and part 4. These two parts are your homework. Thank you for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.